Hi everyone, today I want to share a relaxing breathing technique made famous by Dr. Andrew Weil. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. We're going to be inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 7 counts, and exhaling for 8 counts. Now the way that I teach this is a little bit different than Dr. Andrew Weil. I'm going to ask you to breathe in and out through the nose. If you feel more comfortable breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, that's also fine. And for any breathing technique, I always recommend that you sit up straight with a tall back and you're either sitting or standing so that you have enough space to breathe. Okay, let's get started. Take a deep inhale and exhale, let everything go. I recommend closing your eyes and we'll begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. So you can repeat this breath 4 times in a row. And you can do it a couple of times a day until you feel more comfortable with it and slowly increase the frequency. Enjoy!